This app is called First Words International by Hamaguchi Apps, and first thing you want to do is set up a user. You just simply enter your name, add user, and we're going to use Alex for this demonstration. But before we do that, let's go ahead and explore the settings. So let's have a look at activities. We have 3 activities: learn the word, find the word, or say the word. And you can choose to have any of those on or off. We'll leave all of them on for now. Order of activities, the first one would be, you can choose again any of these 3. Complete each activity, for example, learn the word for the entire group before moving on to the next activity. Complete all activities, which is what we're going to leave it on, or randomize. So let's go ahead to look at languages. American English, Spanish, Chinese, which is Mandarin, French, Hindi, Russian, and Japanese. We'll leave it on American for this demonstration. Words, you can random or you can customize. Now if you go into custom, you can choose the words that you want to learn from any of these sets. So vehicles, people, miscellaneous, household objects, food, clothing, body parts, and animals. We are going to leave this on random for this demonstration. Picture styles, you can have photograph, color, or random. Let's go ahead and leave that on photo for this. Animations, random or custom, we'll put it on random. One nice thing about customizing is if you have a child that doesn't like something, you can always turn it off or not select it. But we'll leave it on random for this, and of course you can turn animations off. How often do they show? After 1 response, 3 or 5. We'll leave it on 3. Sounds for when you touch an object, again random or custom. The good thing about custom is if a child doesn't like one of the sounds, you can select not to have it. We'll leave it on random. Track progress if you want to keep score data, which we'll leave on, and then text on or off, we'll leave that on. So let's go ahead and play.
Here is a lamp. 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 Touch the picture, then wait and see what happens. Lamp. Find the lamp.
Okay, so the second screen is to find the lamp, and you can see you've got a scoring system up here. If you want to hear it again,
Find
you
the
can
lamp.
listen one more time. If you get it wrong, it won't say the word lamp until you
Lamp.
get it correct.
Awesome.
And you'll see that we didn't get it right the first time, so it gives us a 0 out of 1 because we pressed every other picture. Now this is like sort of like a lucky wheel, and it will end up on the word we're trying to learn, which is a lamp.
Say it.
You can record this. Lamp. You can listen back. Lamp. And you can check.
Lamp.
And then you can say right or wrong. So you can give it a check mark, and then you can continue to play by clicking play.
These are pants.
And then it will move on to the next word. Now when you click end session, it'll go back and it'll show you the session, what settings you've got it on, how many you got wrong and how many you missed. If you want to play the missed item, you can just by clicking play missed item and go back to that word. You can print this report, you can delete the data, you can even email it and PDF the results too. Let's go back into the settings. I'm just going to show you very quickly. Let's pick Spanish and go back out and we'll play.
Aquí está una ventana.
So when you have the text on, you'll see that the text appears here.
Ventana. Ventana. Ventana.
With the text off, that would not appear.
Ahora espera para ver qué pasa. Ventana. Encuentra la ventana.
And then you continue to go through the motions. Again, it tracks the data and so on. At any time, you can go back in and totally, change the language. Let's have a look at Russian.
Вот кисть. 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 Девочка.
Okay, so you get the idea. You then continue as we did with the American version and touch it and go through and record. So it's a great app for learning all of the different languages and the first words, which is what it's all about. It says up here that it's in Russian. You can click on here and go back to the home screen. More apps, information. They've even got a demo button on here that shows a small introduction video to the app, should you need that once you buy it. And that's a demonstration of First Words International by Hamaguchi Apps.